What's up guys, today I'm back with the CB build and I'm really excited. Like I'm trying to like kind of dull myself down a little bit because I'm super excited because this is like the start of the CB build. Like I showed it to you last time and I like announced it, but this is like the actual like start of it. So I'm really excited for that. It's a really nice day too, like it's really sunny outside. So I think it's just like perfect timing to do this. Anyways, let's just get right into it. I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm doing. I am actually going to be working on this gas tank right here. This thing is like covered in rust. As you can see, it's kind of covered in this like surface rust. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to empty out the tank, get all the gas out of it because there's gas in it, and then I'm going to just sand all this down. With that said, let's just get right into it. This is the only thing I can find to put gas in. And this is the only funnel I can find. It's going to be really interesting. It's already gotten hot just sitting in the sun for like 5 minutes, so gloves. Well, that worked to a degree. I got like a lot of it on the ground here, and there's still some in the tank. As well as there was like, it sounds like little ball bearings, like little beads or something rolling around in the tank. Yeah, here, look, ready? I don't know if you can hear that. They sound like little beads, and I don't know if they're like supposed to be there. I don't think so. That doesn't seem right. Anyways, I'm gonna try to get those out, wherever they are, as well as the rest of the gas out. I'm gonna just update you guys right after. Woo! Look at that! I just got one out. It's literally like a BB, like from a BB gun. It's tiny. What? What? I don't know why these are. It's like someone took like BBs from like a BB gun and just like poured them in there. That's really weird. I'm gonna see if I can get the rest of them out. Okay, so quick update. I have gotten, I don't know, what is that? 8 BBs. Got 8 BBs to put out of the gas tank, and I put them in here. Here you go, if you can see them. They're all lined up right there. I've gotten at least 8 out. That's the ones that I've like dumped out and then I've collected and put them in there. There are still like 2 more, and the issue is whenever the way this gas tank is made, there's like a center wall that, like, you know, it sits on the frame of the bike, and then like it kind of creates this bridge where the BBs like fall on top of it, rather than like go around it and go out the cap. And then if they get to the cap point, there's like a lip around the cap, like inside the tank. Like right here there's a lip, I can feel it, it's like, I don't know, a centimeter. But it's enough to hold the BBs from falling out. So I gotta like shake it and like get around that center bridge and then hope that they fall out. And they're copper, so I can't like magnetize them out. Like I thought about using a magnet and pulling them out with but they're copper, because they're BBs. Why are they in there? I have no clue. My idea of why they're in there, the old owner, like the original owner of this, had it and he like left it in his barn, and he had like a son or something who had a BB gun and would like pour old BBs in there or something. That's my guess. I have no clue, because I don't think it came like this. I don't know why they would be in there. I got like 2 more BBs to get out, and then I'm gonna burn out the rest of the gas in this tank. Last 2 BBs are out. There's a total of 12 BBs that I like found like after I dumped them out. I think there's also one in here in this funnel, because I started over the funnel and one went in and I was like, shoot, I don't want that in there. But anyway, there's all the BBs. This thing now does not rattle. So yeah, time to burn out the rest of the gas. Here's the scary part. So this part's the scary part, because I'm lighting a gas tank on fire. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna, yeah. Okay, so I moved the gas tank like far away from the garage and far away from my car. In fact, I'm probably gonna shut the garage door so I can do this. Okay. It roasted the match. Look at that. Ooh, man. That went up a lot faster than I thought it was going to. I was like gonna drop it in, and it just went. Well, there wasn't more gas in there than there was. That was good. That worked out fine. But yeah, it completely like roasted that match. Like it didn't burn that far, like the flame went up and roasted it. Okay, we're good. That was a success. I'm pretty sure all the gas is out, but like look at this match. I still can't get over that. Like you can see which side was over the gas tank. Like look, that one's charred. Turned over, just completely fine on the other side. Look at that. Anyways, now that all the gas is out, that means I can actually start sanding. And I don't think I have to weld anything, but like I can sand, I can do whatever, and not worry about it like exploding just like randomly. So anyways, with that said, definitely like be safe if you are planning on doing this. Be sure to get all the gas out, let it sit for a few minutes, and the fumes, you know, kind of dissipate, and then do this, but with like extreme safety, like glasses, gloves, everything. Now, with that said, I'm gonna start sanding this, because this has a bunch of surface rust on it, and I need to sand all of it off. And when that is done, I need to pull a dent out, but I don't think I'm gonna pull the dent out today. So the dent's right here on this side. It's not super big. I thought it was bigger than it was, but I'm gonna pull that dent out eventually, and so it matches this side where there is no dent. So plan is I'm just gonna sand all this, and then we should be good for the next video or the video after. I'm gonna pull this dent out. Real quick while I'm talking about my next video, I am going on a trip for spring break. It is my spring break right now, and I'm going to Iceland. So instead of filming some car stuff or like, you know, motorcycle stuff or anything for the next week, I'm gonna make a few videos about Iceland. So I hope you guys find that interesting. If you don't, just stick around, and this normal car stuff will be back like in a week from now. And if you are into car stuff and into motorcycle stuff, then definitely subscribe down below, because I am doing a bunch of cool stuff all the time like that. And I'm going to be doing a lot more with this new project that I'm working on. With that said, let's get right back to the video.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I've gotten like, I don't know, a fourth of the tank done. Let me show you what it looks like. Hold on. Okay, so I have about half the tank done. You notice this side's all rusted. This side is, for the most part, like what it's supposed to look like. It's a little cleaner. Now there's some work that still needs to be done on this side, especially around the dent area, around this indent where your knee goes, and then up here by the gas cap, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done, and in just like these more like harder to get places. But so far it's looking good. I'm using, I have no idea what grit this is, but it's really rough. It's like a rougher grit to do this. And it's actually going really well so far. It's going a lot quicker than I thought it was going to go, at least. So I'm gonna finish this up, and then I'll go over the plan with you guys on what the deal is with this tank. Okay, so I just pretty much finished up sanding this tank. Now there are obviously some other pieces that need to be sanded that I need to do a little more of a delicate job with, but for the most part, this, like, the surface rust of the majority of the tank is sanded off. So that's pretty good. Now I still have to get down here and also up by this gas cap more, and on the other side down below there's still some, but for the most part this is, you know, free of surface rust. It is now all over my workbench instead in my hands. But anyway, that's besides the point. This, now that all the surface rust is sanded off, I am starting to see a lot more like little dents and divots than I thought there were. On this side, there's obviously this big one, but on this side, there is this one here. Anywhere there's a dark spot, there's pretty much a dent. Like down here, there's some, you know, anything that's, you know, slightly darker, it is a dent, and then there's this big dent on this side. Anyways, the plan is I'm gonna finish sanding the tank up just a little bit. Just, you know, go back and get those little crevices. I probably won't film it But then also what I have to do is probably next video or the video after or something like that, I will address these dents. Now obviously I'll need some more tools and just sandpaper to do that. I plan to try to actually like pull them out, but if I have to end up bondoing them or something, or like using body fill to like cover it, I will do that. I'd rather not do that. Now the plan for this tank and the rest of the bike and the color and stuff, I'm still deciding what I want to do. I think I know what the old color was on the bike, but I'm not entirely sure. But I will probably make that a surprise when I do it. Like that'll be later on though, once I have more of the bike buttoned up. What still has to be done is, as I said, finish the dents, get those out on this tank, and finish sanding it a little bit. The wiring harness, we need to check over that. Austin, my friend Austin, he's been in some of the videos before. He has like buttoned up that wiring harness so well, and we'll go look at that eventually. I need to do carb rebuilds, 4 of them, and I'll probably live stream that. I'll probably rip that apart. Let me know down in the comments below if you want to see me live stream it and make a normal video and like, you know, really go in depth on how I rip those carbs apart and rebuild them. Other than that, I will be in Iceland for a few days and I will be filming there as well. But everything I film in Iceland will be like a bonus video. It'll be extra content that I will add on to this channel apart from the car stuff. So I'll still have my weekly Monday uploads of car stuff or motorcycle stuff or whatever it will be, but in addition, probably through the next week or 2, I will, you know, throw a little Iceland clip or thing in there, maybe on Wednesdays or something. Anyways, that's the plan for the bike. I hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful video of me sanding this, and if you guys are doing a bike video, I hope this helped you. And let me know what you guys want to see next, whether it's the carbs, the wiring harness, or more gas tank stuff, or whatever you guys want to see me do next. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like down below and subscribe if you're not already. And if you know anyone who likes motorcycles or cars, or maybe just likes my filming style, then definitely share this video with them and tell them to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. I don't want to cover the lens like I normally do because it's covered in rust. So I guess this is the end of the video. I'm not going to do my normal outro. This is it. You know, subscribe right here or watch my other videos right there. Yeah, this is it. This is the end of the video. I'm just going to sit here. This is it. This is the end. You can click one of these videos over here. You can go to those. That's it. Go. Click these. Yeah, why are you still here? Just click these videos. Go look at those, or click subscribe. Yeah, you can do that too. Any of that's good. Yeah, just do that.